Oh, you saw me smiling, right? Of course, I'm here doing my music at Rosie Foundation, Charity Fish Fry. And when I look and I see JAHJAH Foundation himself, Dr. Trevor Dixon walked in, trust me, man, it's just a moment. This brother, trust me, this brother is a humanitarian individual who believes in giving back, who believe in helping Jamaica, not only Jamaica, just helping people as a whole. And I must say, this is an individual that, trust me, man, is a role model, and I really, really admire this guy to a great deal. And when you see this guy at Rosie Foundation, you know that he's not only for himself, not only for JAHJAH Foundation, he extends the love to other foundations as well. So, Mr. Trevor, Dr. Dixon, welcome. Welcome to Rosie Foundation Annual Charity Fish Fry. And you know what this is for already, because of course, you know whatever she does is pretty much transparent, and you know what she's doing. I know it's no joke, that's why you're here. If it was a bluff, you wouldn't have been here. You like people who are serious and people on a mission and doing the right thing. So again, we welcome you and we appreciate you. Wonderful love you're here, man. Trust me, man. You make it happen. You make it work.
Well, Ricky, I heard you mention Rosie Foundation. You know, she has supported my events. Not on her business sometimes to support my events. So that says volumes of the kind of person she is. And when you come here and you see the amount of people that are here, it's quite evident.
This has been like this all day. We started from like 12, from earlier than 12. Yeah. Actually, because people from far away they deliver. My wife did a lot of delivery this morning. Yes. Right, so it's even earlier than that.
Well, I'm happy to support Rosie Foundation. Ricky Genius is on board, and you know you have integrity in this thing, so we're on board. JAHJAH Foundation is on board. We work together to get things done in Jamaica, and this is all about Jamaica. It's all about the underserved and those less fortunate in Kingston or wherever in Jamaica they are. Rosie Foundation, remember that foundation, JAHJAH Foundation. Ricky Genius, have you seen us?
And you know what, man? You know, it was today, this morning, I heard Rosie called up some of her friends. You know this is happening today already. You know what she's talking about? November 4th. She's talking about JAHJAH Foundation Masquerade Gala. November 4th, and telling her friends that they have to be there. So you know, I don't think Rosie actually saw you yet, but you know when she does see you, she's gonna be real excited.
It just should be, because it's about partnership, it's about trust, it's about building bridges so we can do better for Jamaica.
And check out the love, check out the love. Look over there, it's all love.
Well, you know, one person can't fix the problems in Jamaica. It's going to take trust amongst many different organizations, and Rosie Foundation, Ricky Genius Entertainment. Have you seen us?
Have you seen us?
You see us here, JAHJAH Foundation, November 4th, and we will continue to support these initiatives in the community. One love, JAHJAH Foundation.
Boom, boom, boom. JAHJAH Foundation, Rosie Foundation, Ricky Genius Entertainment. Trust me, we're doing it. It's going to be, for the future, it's going to be a lot more to come. I tell you that. We're only getting stronger and stronger. It's all about teamwork when different foundations, different organizations come together as one to make it work, aiming for one goal. Trust me, it's going to happen.
A better Jamaica for everyone.
Boom, boom, boom.
Not to work today, but I had to be here.
Thank you for coming. Really appreciate it.
Always support your team. Family team, you know?
Real brother them. And them don't know.
£1 of rice from shop. £1 of rice, you know. Okay, let's go.
I know I make it now. We know struggle feel.
Mix it up, shot it. Call up Rosie. Mix it down, shot. Watch Rosie.